మీ బిజినెస్ ఏదైనా మీ ఊర్లో ప్రమోషన్ చేయాలంటే అది సుమన్ టీవీతోనే సాధ్యం. ఇప్పుడే సంప్రదించండి.
Good morning, sir. Myself, Harika, came from Alpha High School, Tripuraram. My exhibit goes to trigonometry and its applications. And trigonometry is a branch of mathematics concerned with specific functions of angles and their applications to trigonometry. And father of trigonometry is thought to have been Hipparchus. In the 2nd century BC, a Greek mathematician Hipparchus made the discovery of trigonometry. And in addition to solving various trigonometric problems, and he produced first trigonometric table. And trigonometry is a Greek word. Measurement of three angles in a triangle is called trigonometry. There are 6 ratios commonly used in trigonometry, such as sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, cosecant. And trigonometry is used in finding the height of the buildings or mountain. And Shankar, I don't know the height of the tower. How can you find it? Okay, let me explain, Shankar. Here, I don't know the height of the tower. An observer is observing the tower at a distance of 30 centimeters at an angle of elevation 45 degrees. Here we are applying the tan 45 here. Tan 45 equals to opposite side to theta by adjacent side to theta. Tan 45 value 1, then here we don't know the opposite side to theta, let it be x, then adjacent side to theta equals to 30 centimeters, then height of the tower equals to 30 centimeters. Shankar, I found the height of the tower. How can you find the height of the building?
Okay, Harika, I will explain you. An observer is observing the top of the building with an angle of elevation 45 degrees at a distance of 26 centimeters. He is observing top of the tower with an angle of elevation 45 degrees. Here it is by x and the distance is 26. Height of tan 45 value is equals to 1. Height of the building is also equals to 26. Here distance is equals, adjacent side is equals to opposite side. Indians developed their own sine table by using the Greek half-angle formula, that is sine theta by 2 is equals to plus or minus square root of 1 minus cos theta by 2, and cos theta by 2 is equals to plus or minus square root of 1 plus cos theta by 2. Harika, do you know what is the height of the Mount Everest?
Yes, Shankar. Ramnath Singh, that he is the first Indian mathematician, first calculated the height of the mountain in 1852. And Shankar, do you know the identities in the trigonometry?
Yes, Harika, I know. The first identity in trigonometry is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Then second one is equals to sec square theta minus tan square theta is equals to 1. Cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equals to 1. These are the three identities majorly used in trigonometry.
It is not only used in finding the height of the tower, height of the building, it also used in creation of maps and used in the satellite systems, navigation, criminology, aviations, and marine biology, etc.
Harika, why Hipparchus worked on this trigonometry?
He worked in for his astronomical work, Shankar.
Yes, Harika, good answer. Thank you, sir. I hope you understood.
This is Soumya and she is Varshini. We are studying in 9th standard from Alpha High School in Tripuraram. Our topic name is Transportation and Communication. This project name is Prevention of the Train Accidents. This is the ultrasonic sensor. This sensor detects the obstacles on the track and inform to the train operator. For in case the train operator did not receive the ultrasonic sensor message, then also the ultrasonic sensor send a message to the control system. The train moving towards the obstacle, then immediately the train stops by using air brakes. These sensors and this buzzers and the lights inform to the obstacles on the track. This sensor not only detects the obstacles on the track, tracks also detect the track. Thank you.
Detect obstacles on the track and alerting the train operator. operator. When the obstacle is detected, automatically the train will stop by using air brakes. Ultrasonic sensors can detect obstacles within a range of 1 kilometer. This can be mounted in front of the train engine. When the obstacle is detected, the sensor sends a signal to the control system, which can alert the train operator. Our project is Tornado in Disaster Management. Tornado is nothing but a violently rotating column of air touching the ground and usually attached to the base of the thunderstorm. Tornado can have many effects: damage to buildings, trees, bridges and other structures. Tornado can cause flying debris such as roofing shingles, metal road, doors, which can injure or kill people. Emotional distress. Survivors of tornadoes may experience emotional distress such as anxiety, fear and sadness. These can be triggered by returning to the impacted area or by certain smell or sounds such as sirens or smoke. Power and gas leaks. Tornado can down electrical power and cause to leak gas leaks. Tornadoes are most common in summer and spring, but they can occur in any time of the year, prevalently in the North America and particularly in the southeastern regions of the United States. In India, tornadoes are rare. In between 1976 to 2010, there are 12 tornadoes in India. Safety. If you are caught outside during a tornado, you should stay away from windows and cover yourself with sleeping bags, cover sleeps and etc. If you can't find shelter, look for a ditch and stay away from cars and trees. A tornado with more than one spinal tube is known as multiple vortexes. Tornado even known as cyclones, twisters and funnels. Thanks.
This is Satyana from 10th standard. We are from Alpha High School, Tripura. In the developed human science and developed technologies, humans are also excluding the many natural phenomena like fire accidents, earthquakes, and etc. By the theme of that, we implemented our project Flood Alarm. Flood Alarm is a thing that can be avoid the floods. And the human beings, to make human beings and ensure that they are away from the floods and they ensure their property are away from floods. So it is a simple mechanism that we have implemented here. We implemented 2 terminals at the end of the seashore, and the seashore, when the sea mean level is increases, the buzzer will be rang, and the buzzer it alerts the people in the city and make them alert to make go there in the safe places. Thank you for giving me.
Sir, it is a plastic recycling project. It is a plastic recycling project. First, plastic waste are transported by the vehicles. Then the plastic waste are transported to the recycling factory. Then the plastic separated into wet and dry. Then the plastic cut and crushed into small pieces under the process of shredding. Then these crushed plastic pieces are washed and remove the dust and other impurities. Then the plastic sent to the process of melting and reorganization. Then finally the new product was produced. Thank you. Sir, we are coming from Alpha High School, Tripura. Our project name is Road Making with Plastic. First, we want to collect all the plastic from surroundings and send into these containers. This container will cut all the plastic into small pieces. After then, we will send into these containers. This container will all wash all the dust particles in the plastic. Then we will mix with gravel, hot, up to 160 degrees Celsius. It will wear roads. In the roads, we are using bitumen. The bitumen was high cost. By implementing these projects, we can reduce the plastic. Thank you. Sir, we are coming from Alpha High School, Tripura. Our project name is Road Making with Plastic. First, we want to collect all the plastic from surroundings and send into these containers. This container will cut all the plastic into small pieces. After then, we will send into these containers. This container will all wash all the dust particles in the plastic. Then we will mix with gravel, hot, up to 160 degrees Celsius. It will wear roads. In the roads, we are using bitumen. The bitumen was high cost. By implementing these projects, we can reduce the plastic. Thank you.